I came to the symposium today because, Tilna, one of the members of Kala, invited me as a speaker. And I found it very exciting to hear about the kind of work that that's happening in the world of outdoor arts in the UK, which I didn't know about actually until now.
It's been wonderful, very insightful. I've had a lovely time here, catching up with a lot of colleagues from the industry, a lot of practitioners, policymakers, and absolutely enjoyed the time here.
I found the symposium really inspiring, really informative, and allowing my imagination to consider the possibilities of what is possible.
There was a real breadth of knowledge, perspectives, histories, art forms. So it was really interesting to hear lots of different vantage points.
It's been super interesting, some really interesting provocations and lots of thoughts about how some of the things that are coming up in the dance indoor circuit are often addressed in the outdoors just naturally and organically. So it's really interesting. I'd very much like to carry on having conversations with people to see whether there are solutions to some of those things that exist already in the outdoors.